What is up, you guys? My name is Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the AIO bot for the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner, releasing on March 10th. First things first, guys, if you guys can do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Helps me create more content for you guys, and also if you guys can do me a favor and hit the push notifications on, so every time I make a video, you guys are notified. Next thing I would appreciate you guys doing is check out our website at www.sellsneakerz.com. Go ahead and check out the page right here on shop and click on the grab and go subscription. It's only $12. What it is it's affiliated with Discord. We pretty much just help you guys learn more things about proxies, bots, and any new stuff that is coming out, and just increases your chances into obtaining new methods of guaranteeing you success. Alright guys, next things I want to talk about is about proxies. Now the proxies that I do use is called My Private Proxy. I usually go to the dedicated proxies. Go ahead and hit a plan. I'm going to go ahead and hit this one. Get started. Now you're going to want to pay it using your PayPal or your credit card information. This is just something that I do use, but the other one that I do also recommend that I personally love and adore is probably going to be this one, the dropclub.io. These are residential proxies, which is usually just IP addresses that usually change or show that it's an IPv6. So these are I do really recommend. I'm trying to work out and see if I can get a promo code for you guys, so you guys get a discount and help you guys out. Now they have different proxy plans: 2 gigabytes, 50, or 5 gigabytes, 7 gigabytes, 10. I would only recommend getting 5, but going the higher would also help you increase your chances of getting more proxies and etc. So I definitely recommend that. Alright, let's get back to the video. First and foremost, guys, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that soullinks.com will be your friend for any drop that is coming when it comes to shoes. Now, I personally love using this website. It definitely helps me stay up to date with every shoe release that is coming. And obviously, if we're going to use the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runner for this example, since it is coming on March 10th for retail price at, I think, $300. Alright guys, so first things first, obviously you're going to get to this page. You want to go ahead and click on one of these links. So I already have the Yeezy Boost for the Adidas one open. The Yeezy supply is always at a random time, so if I was you, I would stay up to date by going on twitter.com and following Yeezy Mafia. They usually keep me up to date with every tweet that usually consists of Yeezys or any other shoe that is coming out. So like I said, go ahead and make sure you have Twitter set up and follow Yeezy Mafia. Alright, let's get back to the Adidas page. So I already have it open, guys. So as you can tell, it's comes out on March 10th, 2018 for $300. Obviously, you guys know that Adidas always has these restocks coming up, and this was one of the huge ones that I'm definitely gonna be going for. Alright guys, the first thing you'll want to do obviously is open up your AIO bot, run it as administrator. You're gonna want to click yes, obviously. Let that load, and until it pops up. Guys, make sure that this is always kept up to the latest version, because if you guys do not have the latest version, you guys will not be able to get notifications and how to set up your stuff and etc. So I definitely recommend you guys do this. And the bot, like I said, that I'm using is AIO bot. No way, shape, or form am I sponsored by them. I am not sponsored by the people that I give you guys recommendations for the proxies either. In regards to the servers, guys, obviously I would recommend you guys get a server, but I personally don't use one because I've been really lucky and fortunate to obtain these items myself just using my regular desktop. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. It's pretty easy and simple. So the first thing that you want to do is go and hit site, click on Adidas, use a guest, click OK. The positive keyword is going to be XXX. Earlier link is going to be either the PID, or you can put this link down. Click paste. Now your size, you're going to pick your specific size, obviously. So I'm an 8.5, so I'm going to go and hit that. But I'm also a 9, so you can also put 8.5 and 9 depending on how you want to do it. So I go like this because it usually carts out with either size that I'm trying to go for those. And the next thing that I also recommend is obviously you're going to want to put your proxies. So you want to go to configure, proxies, and I already have mine. So what it works like this is I noticed that I like to put, I have 100 proxies. So I put like 50 on the monitor page and then 24 on the regular. But honestly, just if I were you guys, I would just divide the amount of proxies that you have on here. Then if you guys have more left, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that by putting it into the tools and going onto HMAC Destroyer. HMAC Destroyer is going to be your friend for helping you guys out. Obviously, you guys want to go ahead and hit your country that you prefer. You want to click on the PID. So the PID for this one right here is actually going to be here. Let's go back to SellSneakerz.com. Alright guys, so the PID is going to be right here. It's B75571. So you want to copy that, go back onto your bot, HMAC Destroyer, go ahead and put that in there. Now for these proxies guys, you guys want to use the different proxies, not the ones that you use for your monitor or your normal. So you're going to want to go ahead and put like at least 25 to 50 if you have that. If not, then just put some so it gives you a better chance. Now I'm on the fixed one at 40 and I have 3 for the threads going. So what you're going to want to do is when the release starts, you want to go ahead and start the destroyer when your proxies are set inside, and do this 5 minutes prior to the release. So you're going to let that running now, okay? And after that, once you have your task enabled or task built, you're going to want to start this as soon as the splash page is live. Well, I'll get back to you, or I'll show you guys how to do that in a little bit. So right now after that, when you have your proxy set up and stuff, you want to go to manage billing. You're going to click OK. You're going to go right click and hit new. Now guys, once you guys hit new, depending on which website you are on, you can use your PayPal account. So make sure you put the right information for your email and your password that is affiliated with your PayPal. After that guys, you're going to want to go and hit credit card. Now fill out this information right here. Obviously guys, if you guys have the same shipping address, you're going to want to hit this right here after you're done with all this. The second thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and put your credit card information. Now make sure you guys have the right credit card information. Double check prior to doing all your stuff, because I'm telling you guys, if you guys do not have the right credit card information, you will be declined and you will not be able to have success. So once that's done guys, you're going to go ahead and hit save. Oops. Well, I don't have anything right now, but yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. So once you guys are getting this stuff, I will also recommend you guys hit the notification as an email, and I wouldn't recommend getting the phone number, but it's really up to you guys. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and put the PID number in here too, B57771. And you're gonna go ahead and put add. Now if you guys are going for numerous pairs, obviously you guys are gonna want to create a mass create task site. Go to Adidas, page monitor, page, and then go back to the Adidas website. Whoops. Alright, link. Okay, Adidas.com. Alright. Paste. Size. Add your sizes, guys. Like I said, put in multiple sizes. That so usually helps me card out for any size that I'm trying to go for, even if I don't get my size. Then the billing profile. So I'm just gonna use in and out for this one really quick. You want to go ahead and click and enable the ones that you have activated onto your billing and stuff, whatever. And then obviously put in your email, so I'm not gonna do it, but you understand. And the number of tasks, I'm gonna go ahead and just put 10, put add. Okay. So guys, so just remember this. So you're gonna be using the HMAC Destroyer for the Adidas page. You're gonna want to have 10 regular, and then you're also gonna want to have 10 for the HMAC Destroyer. So for that, you're gonna go ahead and put mass create page thing, hashtag HMAC site Adidas, and then use the same exact sizes that you use for your regular. So I use 10 for that example, so I'm going to use a 10 again, and then you're going to want to use 10 again since you had 10 normal. For the early link, just leave it how it is. Page monitor is HMAC, and then make sure you do set up your billing profile thing and you enable that as well. So guys, so once you have 10 regular and then 10 for the HMAC, you are set. So like I said, the first thing that you want to do is go to your tools, go to your HMAC Destroyer. That I already have open, whoops. And then, like I said, enter the URL or the PID. The PID I'm going to use, the thread is 1. In the country, obviously, I'm in the United States, so I'm going to click that. And then enter your proxies. Start this destroyer 5 minutes prior. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and right click create task. So right now they're in idle mode because they obviously haven't started them. So once the page is on, the splash page is live, go ahead and put start all Adidas tasks. So it's going to be running, and then you guys usually get notified and let you know if you got shoes added to your cart. It's going to take a while guys, but make sure you guys do not give up. I repeat, do not give up. Usually the Adidas likes to mess around with people and usually sometimes start things a little bit earlier, so always be aware and stay up to date, like I said, using Twitter and following Yeezy Mafia. So then guys, so once this gets started, you're just gonna want to stay on here on the page and just wait until you're able to use stuff. I like to manually check out, but another thing that I would definitely recommend you guys doing is capture solver. For obviously you're gonna use Adidas, and you're gonna just keep on doing this, guys. I did this at least 30 to 40 times depending on how much I'm trying to just get out of there. So I definitely recommend you guys do this while you're running the bot at the same time. Alright guys, so you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know down in the bottom of the description, and please don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, good luck, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.